if you have been experiencing cough and you want to treat it naturally, okay, this is a natural way you can treat it. All you need is to clear your lungs. You need to detoxify the lungs, okay, so that you can stop coughing. If you clear your lungs, the cough will stop in 2 days. All you need in this recipe is just lemon, the lemon peel. This is lemon, the one I've already peeled. I've been boiling it for like 10 minutes now. So you need the peel. You need 2 medium lemon like this. You have to peel it. You need the lemon peel. That is all you need from the lemon. Then half a ginger, okay. You don't need to scrape the ginger. You just need to dice it. You just need to dice the ginger and add to the pot. Then 2 cloves. All you need here is just 2 cloves. This is the cloves. Just 2 cloves. Then you have to add it to the pot. When you add the lemon rind, then half a ginger, you need to just dice it. Then you add the 2 cloves, okay. Add it to the pot and add a cup of water and boil it for like 10 minutes, okay. Then you have to add a teaspoon of organic honey. These are natural ways you can clear your lungs. Lemon peel and cloves are very powerful in detoxifying, anything detoxify and cleansing the system. So lemon peel is very, very good. So this is the juice. Lemon peel, 2 cloves and half a ginger. These are natural ways you can clear your lungs so that you will stop coughing. If you have been experiencing cough and you've tried so many things, it's not working for you, try this recipe. It's very, very good. You can take this only 3 times in a week. You don't have to take it every day because lemon peel and cloves are very powerful. Just 3 times in a week. If you take the first day, then you skip the next day and take the following day, okay. Just a cup of this infusion will help detoxify the lungs. It will clear the lungs, okay, and also fight any other free radicals in the body, okay. These are natural ways you can treat your cough and you will stop coughing in 2 days. Once the lungs is being detoxified, the cough will go away naturally. It doesn't have any side effects. These are natural ways, natural fruits you can use to treat yourself, okay. Please do not forget to like, comment and also share. Help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see more of our posts, okay. Thank you for watching and remain blessed.